Hello, I'm Dragoș, and in this video we're going to take a look of how the new Gemini 2.5 Pro model is doing. Yesterday on 05 of June, Google released their new updated Gemini 2.5 Pro model, and supposedly it's one of the best one in benchmarks, and I'm curious to see how it's doing in Astro and how it is managing to do when you try to build a website with it. So in the past, with the help of Trae, for instance, with Claude for Sonnet, I've managed to build this website from scratch with only 2 prompts. And the website looks quite nice. You see that we have a nice footer, a nice header in here. You have services and the about. And yeah, the design is interesting and quite good. And yeah, I mean, this it's how it's looking. The hero, it's quite nice. You have the toggle in here, but it doesn't work. You can check that video if you want to know more. You have a nice logo in here that was created. So yeah, this is how Claude 4 did in Try. And for this test, I have already run it. And in here, I have prompted the Google. You see in here the Gemini 2.5 Pro. In this area, it's selected, and I've prompted the same prompt that I've used for the others. So basically I told him to create this solar panel website, and exactly as before, to have a menu, footer, header, section, services, pages, and have some animations and things like that. And he started working with this, and it created a lot of things for us. So in here you see that you have the in here you have the components. You have some buttons that has been created for us as a component, a call to action, a card, footer, header, hero, project section, SEO, services, testimonials. This is the default one. The layout that has been modified, pages with about, project, services, contact. You have the styles, but is the default thing. And in here it added some aliases for the resolution of the components, layout, and things like that. And yeah, I mean, he managed to create this in 15 minutes, and it went and created all the files. I don't want to, show you. It created a README. And yeah, I mean, you reach a limit in here, and told him to continue, and it created something for us. In the beginning it didn't work because you didn't have this aliases in there, and he didn't knew from where to import the components, but I prompted him to do that. Here he created the SVGs. Okay, let's see. Here I told him the error, he fixed it, and it worked after. And yeah, it created something, and I've asked him again to add the project in the navbar because they weren't in there, and I've told him, okay, do a more modern design, but because the design wasn't looking very good, and you'll see how it's looking right now. And he tried to modify, you see in here, the header, hero section, testimonial, product, call to action, footer. And if we're going to check it right now, I have it in here. So this is the website that Gemini did. So you see that you have a interesting logo. So SolarCo is the name. You have the menu, which I guess it looks okay. You have a nice green animation, and it's sticky, but this hero section, it's looking awful. It's not good. These things are too basic. What clients are saying, again, these are too basic, is like 2000 for this project. Buttons doesn't show. The footer, it's, let's say, not finished. I guess he tried to create something, but it put everything under same column. If we're going to check the about, it's not doing better. Services, again, it's ugly, very ugly. Projects, okay, yeah, still doesn't look okay. And basic contact form. So this is what he managed to do with like 3 prompts, and I'm not impressed from my point of view. It's looking quite ugly, and yeah, I like Claude better, and the Claude 4 Sonnet, it's doing a lot better than Gemini 2.5, at least for a coding web project. So yeah, this is how it did. And if you want to check my previous videos with Claude and the other IDs that I've used, like Augment, Try, and Z, you can check the video and see how they did for this same prompt. And yeah, thanks for watching. And in case you have something to put, please drop a comment. And yeah, have a nice day.